Hey there, I already have uploaded several videos about the WhatsApp new features. Yeah, today again I am going to introduce a new WhatsApp feature in this video. You will know each and everything in this video. But if you are visiting our channel first time, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon by clicking all so that you can get every notification when we are uploading a new video. Let's begin the video. So in my previous videos, I already have told you about the several features of WhatsApp application. For example, as I told you about the pin messages. In this feature, your chat will remain on the top of the list, as you can see. If you want to unpin, just press on the unpin icon, and this chat will be in normal position. Yeah, and the other feature I already have introduced you. If you keep if you press any chat for a few seconds, and here is the first icon, if you press on that, your chat will be archived. Yeah, this chat has been archived. And here's another example. If I want to press it for a few seconds, just and then press on the archive button, and your chat has been archived. Yeah, your archived chats will not be showing in this list, but below the list here is an option, archived. It means there are two chats already have been archived. If you want to unarchive them, just press them for a few seconds and press on the archive button. So now your chat has been unarchived. Let me tell you about the other feature. That is about the stored messages. Yeah, how you can activate that feature, I'll tell you in this video. Yeah, for example, if I open any chat, yeah, just open any chat, you can see there is only one message. If I press on this message for a few seconds, you can see here are several icons on the upper side. The second one is star icon. Yeah, if you press the star icon, so your chat has been starred. Okay, the second one, here is another chat. If I want to press on any line and then press on the star, and this message also has been starred. So what's the benefit of this starred message? The benefit of this feature is you can find this line, this message easily. And how you can find this feature? Okay, just go back and press on the three points. Okay, here you can see the second last option is stored messages. When you press on it, you can find your stored messages easily. These are the lines which you have stored just now within the chats. If you want to unstore them, just press them for a few seconds and press on this star, so your chats has been unstored now. So this is the way you can find any message within any chat, and you can find them easily in your WhatsApp application. Yeah, it's a feature which I have introduced you now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe the channel and please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.